Hello, I'm Dr. Olaf Andersen in the Department of Physiology and Biophysics at Weill Cornell Medical College in New York City.
Hello, I'm Ruchi Kapoor, an MD PhD student in Dr. Olaf Andersen's lab.
Hello, my name is Jung Kim. I'm a research technician.
Today we will show you how to prepare for single channel experiments in planar lipid bilayers. We will show you how to prepare the chamber, and we'll show you how to prepare the bilayer punch electrodes we use to isolate the small areas of membrane where we do the measurements.
So let's get started.
Our electrophysiological setup consists of the following: an air-suspended anti-vibration table to minimize mechanical vibrations, a Faraday cage to shield against electrical noise, sound, and vibration, and a stand for the bilayer chamber. We use a circulating water jacket for temperature control in which the bilayer chamber is placed, and a micromanipulator to mount the head stage of the patch clamp amplifier. An electronic filter unit is used to further filter the output from the patch clamp amplifier at 500 Hz to visualize the current transitions. An oscilloscope is used for displaying the current signal, both the output from the patch clamp amplifier and from the electronic filter. Last but not least, you will need a computer with a data acquisition system that digitizes the patch clamp signal at 20 kHz. We use an in-house developed software for data recording and analysis. All of the equipment is turned on 20 minutes before beginning. Next, we will